Welcome, everyone. Thank you for the opportunity to present our research on causal study design at the 2022 Austin Research and Innovation Talk. My name is Michael Grabner, and I work as a principal scientist at HealthCore, where we conduct health services research on behalf of life science companies and our parent company, Elevance Health. Many of my colleagues contributed to this work, and I would like to acknowledge them. The gold standard for assessing whether a medical treatment works is the randomized controlled trial. Increasingly, observational, non-experimental data are available for research, and these too can be used to investigate causal effects. Existing methodological literature on this topic is rich, but can be complex and daunting to navigate. Therefore, our team created a visually appealing, user-friendly, step-by-step guide that describes key conceptual issues of importance in designing causal inference studies with observational healthcare data. These steps help elucidate what estimate is being targeted, how to systematically identify and address common design biases, and asks researchers to conduct robust sensitivity analysis. There are limitations to our guide as listed here. Thank you for your time, and we appreciate your consideration.